Hello, and welcome to week 50 of the Weekly Declutter Challenge. This week, we are going to organize our children's closets. Yes, I understand this is a task. I had to recently reorganize my children's closets, and let's just say we ended up doing a whole closet revamp, but that will be in another video. So for this video, what you're going to do is take everything out of your closet. Now keep in mind, children grow with the seasons. So when you're taking things out and you're trying to sort them to see if something fits, but it's a different season or it's for maybe 6 months from now, 9 times out of 10, they won't be able to wear that item 6 months from now. So when you're doing your decluttering and when you're doing your organization and trying to decide what to keep, toss, and donate, please keep that in mind. So before you put your items back in the closet, you may want to come up with an organization system. Maybe you're going to hang your school clothes in one section, or you're going to hang items by color, by size, by item type. Whatever system that works best for you, that's the one you should use. And once you're done, don't forget to take pictures, let us know in the comment section, and also tag us. Thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next Weekly Declutter Challenge. Thank you, and have a divine day. Goodbye.